everyone, we have the fenders on here. It's just a sticker, don't worry about it. These were literally made with pieces of the barn roof over there. That is what the fenders are going to be made out of the Go-kart. No, they are not even close to being done yet. I still have to take them off, sand them down, repaint them. I'm gonna paint them probably the same color as this front plate, which needs to be washed. Before we test it today, I'm going to end up taking these off because they're, as you can see, really flimsy. What I'm gonna do is make a bracket under here that connects up to the old bracket, and then it's gonna come up and mount up underneath here too, so they aren't as flimsy. We are also trying to figure out a way to mount up this engine cage like this. We gotta come up with some linkages. I think today we're going to take the secondary clutch off, do a little bit of tuning to that, retension the spring a little bit so it's a little bit stiffer, so it engages later, because what was happening is it was going into second gear and engaging way too soon. So it would go into first gear, climb up, and then it would go into second gear, and then it would just kind of sit at 7,000 RPM, and it wouldn't have enough power to get into the next gear. That is what we're going to do today. And then it is dry enough out in the field, so we're going to go take this thing back out in the field and do some more testing with it. Hopefully we'll get it above 60, 70 miles an hour if we're able to. That'd be pretty sick. That is what we're going to do today with the Go-kart.
Now we gotta take that snap ring out, but I gotta see what holes. See the holes right here? So right now that end of the spring is in 2, and then on the inside there's another hole. You gotta remember this is in 2. I gotta get a compressor to compress this because
Move this from A to B. Just gonna change the spring tension from 50 to 60. So hopefully it'll be a little bit tighter so it can engage a little bit later, and we'll get a little bit more speed out of it. But a lot of this is just tuning. If it doesn't work, we'll end up taking it off again, seeing if we can change the tension a little bit more.
brake on it.
Alright everyone, just did a little bit of spring tuning. Let's take this thing back out, see what it does. I cannot wait to get my seat pad. This thing hurts my butt. That was fast. Sounds so cool from so far away. This may not go well. It doesn't like to stay in a straight line. Sorry about the shaky footage, guys.
the motor like fog, and it sounds like it's fogging because it needs more fuel. So, I have to put bigger jets in it. See, that side of the clutch gets crazy hot. This side really doesn't. That's weird. It shouldn't get that hot, but the jets that are in it are freaking for -20 on that snowmobile. But I think because we are not running an air box, this adds a lot freer airflow. So because it can pull more air, it needs more fuel because it goes up to like 8 and then it starts going and it sounds like it's running, it's starving, which for a 2-stroke isn't good for it.
Is it hard to keep in a straight line?
Yeah, it's really hard. Yeah, if you gas it, it's all over the place. It's crazy. The thing's fast. It accelerates fast.
Alright guys, so just to add a little bit of context to the next part, what you are going to see is me and my dad both riding in the go-kart together. Basically what we are going to do is I took the choke and I would engage it so it was adding more fuel into the go-kart because we suspected that it was running too lean before. So this was our test to see if it needed more fuel, because basically engaging the choke like that adds more fuel into the engine. And when we were doing that, it wasn't doing really anything. There was no change happening. I don't think it was said in the video, but now we're suspecting that it's running a little bit rich. We're not exactly sure, but we're gonna mess around and change the jetting and stuff like that. Let me get this harness on. It's gonna be so terrifying riding in the passenger seat. Oh my God! We just spun out.
What I tell you to, just flick that to like there for a second. I just want to see if the motor picks up. Alright, I'll tell you what to do.
Oh my God! No! Do it! I didn't even get a chance to do it. I know none of you can hear me right now. Actually, you can hear me in the GoPro. I can feel the heat from the exhaust on this seat. So we're gonna have to do some heat shielding or something because it's warm. I had it on half. Where are we going? This is crazy! Watch it, car. this thing's nuts.
Yeah, but the thing is the RPMs are falling down in under 7 grand. If the thing could hold the RPMs, it would be freaking ridiculous.
That wire's not gonna melt on the manifold, is it?
No, it shouldn't. Yeah, they're too new to really. You just gotta be careful leaning it because 2-strokes don't like running lean.
Yeah.
But I don't know. It's either. Oh, my shield fell off. Oh, that's not good. And it doesn't seem to start picking up speed. It just kind of just falls on its face. Those air filters have restriction to them, so they're not like, you know, they're. It's not like they don't have any restriction at all.
Alright everyone, that'll do it for this week's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, we've tuned the go-kart a little bit more. It definitely needs some more work. The axle is currently off of it right now because we were putting a different sprocket on it, so hopefully that's going to help us get some more speed. We do also have to mess with the jetting and stuff like that. It's still some more work to do with it, but it's definitely coming along. I don't know what I'm going to upload next, but we'll see. Should be either next week or the week after. I don't really know what's in store. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. To support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week. I'll see you guys when I upload next. Bye guys.